12 hours of rain and high winds brought chaos to Belfast and other parts of Northern Ireland. Among the worst hit areas in the capital were Springfield Road, Falls Road and Sandy Row, scenes of petrol bomb and stone-throwing attacks on British troops in recent weeks. The heaviest rain recorded in Ulster since 1927 flooded every main street in Belfast. But it also helped to improve relations between the British troops and the civilian population. Soldiers from the Green Howards, the Royal Anglian Regiment and the Coldstream Guards were among those who went without sleep to help evacuate families from their homes. A strange paradox as a natural disaster turns enemies of only days ago into the best of friends. A lull in the battle along the Suez Canal as the sea